Is he? Let's see the puppies. Okay, let's pull this one out. Oh, you already pulled that one out? Okay. So you got them all over here? Okay. It's okay, Rosie. Are you nursing? There they are. There they are. There you go. There you go. How strong they are. These guys are strong. You're a strong little guy. Or little girl. Yeah. Strong. Look how strong they are, Rosie. Very strong puppies. Look at the grip that they have. Yeah. You're not even an hour old. You're not even an hour old. You can't go back to where you came from. No, that's not where you